and unchanged, they are excreted from the kidney. Lithium carbonate is good drug for bipolar disorder. It is the ministry of treatment for the bipolar disorder. Lithium carbonate. Serious side effects from lithium carbonate are rare. The serious side effects from lithium carbonate are rare side effects. The other side effects that is include gastrointestinal disturbance, nausea, diarrhea, and polyuria. The side effects of lithium carbonate include GI disturbance, polyuria, GI disturbance, polyuria, nausea, diarrhea, weight gain. Weight gain can also occur in the drug, the patient who taking the lithium for prolonged time. Weight gain, gastrointestinal disturbance, nausea, diarrhea, polyuria, skin eruption and alopecia and edema. Skin eruption, alopecia and edema. Skin eruption, alopecia and edema. Over time, urine concentrating ability may be decreased, but significant nephrotoxicity is relatively rare. Nephrotoxicity for lithium, the patient who taking lithium is rare. Nephrotoxicity is rare. Lithium exerts as anti-thyroid effect by interfering with the synthesis and release of thyroid hormones. Lithium exerts anti-thyroid effects. Anti-thyroid effects. The lithium exerts anti-thyroid effects, and they are interfering the synthesis and release of thyroid hormone. More serious side effects of the lithium include tremor, poor concentration, and memory problem, ataxia, dysarthria, and incoordination. More severe side effects of the lithium carbonate include tremor. More severe side effect include tremor. This is the most severe side effect. Tremor, ataxia, poor concentration, memory problem, poor concentration and memory problem, dysarthria and incoordination, and dysarthria. This is the more severe side effects of lithium, but the more severe side effect of the lithium is rare. Poor concentration, memory problem, incoordination, dysarthria, ataxia, and tremor. Although the lithium is safe drug, the serious side effects from the lithium are rare. What is the dosage for the bipolar disorder? What is the dosage of the lithium for the bipolar disorders? In which dose we will give to the patient for the bipolar disorder? What is the dosage of the lithium carbonate? The dosage for the lithium carbonate, the dosage of the lithium carbonate for bipolar disorder include: in the treatment of acute mania, lithium is initiated 300 mg BD/RTD, 300 mg BD or 300 mg TD. Initially we give the 300 mg BD or TD. In the dose is increased by 300 mg every 2 to 3 days. This dose is increased by 300 mg every 2 to 3 days. This dose, firstly we give 300 mg BD or TD. This dose is increased 300 mg every 2 to 3 days. This dose is increased every 2 to 300 mg every 2 to 3 days. For example, first patient taken 300 mg BD. In the 2 to 3 days after, he will take 600 mg 600 mg. For example, if the patient is taking 300 mg BD, it becomes 600 mg all the day, 600 mg all the day. After 2 days he will take 300 mg, will increase 300 mg, he will take 900 mg, and they should be increased by 2 to 3 days. The dose should be, first dose is 300 mg BD or TD, this should be increased by 300 mg in 2 to 3 days after the initial dose, 2 to 3 days after the initial dosage of the treatment. We increase this dosage to achieve the blood level of 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. We achieve the blood level, serum lithium level, 0.8 to 0.8 or to 1.2 mg, 0.8 to 1.2 mg. We should increase this dosage to achieve the peak plasma serum lithium level for the therapeutic effects of the lithium, 0.8 to 1.2 mg. The 0.8 to 1.2 mg of the serum lithium level should be required. The serum lithium level of 0.8 to 1.2 mg should be required. The serum lithium level for the prevention of the recurrent manic episodes and recurrent depression, the lithium dosage, the serum lithium level should be 0.8 to 1.2 mg. In this way, we add 300 mg BD of the serum lithium first and 300 mg TD. Then we increase 300 mg every 2 to 3 days to achieve the serum level of the lithium serum level 0.8 to 1.2 mg per day for the therapeutic purposes. For the therapeutic purposes. For the therapeutic purposes. For the therapeutic purpose. For the therapeutic purpose, we should raise the plasma serum lithium level 0.8, the serum lithium level 0.8 to 1.2 mg. You should raise the serum lithium level 0.8 to 1.2 mg. Once 0.8 to 1.2 mg is reached, this is the therapeutic effect of the lithium. This appears until after 7 to 10 days of treatment. This appears 7 to 10 days, 7 to 10 days of treatment. 7 to 10 days of treatment, this serum plasma levels appears. If not appear, we add lorazepam 1 to 2 mg every 4 hours. If this not appear, this we add lorazepam 1 to 2 mg per 4 hours. Every 4 hours, lorazepam 1 to 2 mg, 1 to 2 mg lorazepam. We can add lorazepam. The lorazepam is beneficial to control agitation. Valproic acid may be more effective than lithium for the patient who experience rapid cycling. The valproic acid. What is valproic acid? The valproic acid is more useful. Valproic acid. The valproic acid is more useful for the patient when the patient has rapid cycling. Rapid cycling. What is the rapid cycling in mania? What is the rapid cycling in mania and rapid cycling in bipolar disorder? The 15% of patients of the bipolar disorder, the rapid cycling occur in 15% of cases of the patient of bipolar disorder. In the rapid cycling, there is 4 or more episodes of depression and mania per year. In the rapid cycling, there is 4 or more episodes of mania per year. 4 or more episodes for mania per year. In the rapid cycling occur mostly in women. Rapid cycling occur mostly in women. This occur mostly in women. We treat this with the valproic acid. The valproic acid is useful for the patient of the rapid cycling in which the episodes occur more than 4 episodes of mania occur per year in the bipolar disorder patient, and this occur mostly in the women. A sustained blood lithium level at least 0.8 mg per ml is important for optimal prophylaxis. For the optimal prophylaxis, 0.8 to 1.2 mg of the sustained. This is for sustained, not for 1 month or 2 months. Sustained level of 0.8 mg of the lithium is important for prophylaxis. Sustain the level of serum lithium. Bipolar disorder, the main goal is a sustain serum lithium level at least 0.8 to 1.2 mg. This is the goal. We sustain the lithium level of 0.8 mg, not 8 mg, 0.8 MEQ, 0.8 MEQ per liter to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. 0.8 milliequivalent per liter to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. The sustain the serum lithium level of 0.8 milliequivalent per liter to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter is the goal in the bipolar disorder treatment, and this is prophylaxis for mania prophylaxis, and it is also a lesser extent and lesser degree prophylaxis for depression. It prevents the further episodes of mania and further episode of depression. This is the main goal.